To the highlights.
Check it out, and Josh Bowenkamp almost is going to get sacked here, but watch him escape. The little pump fake escaping from the grasp, and he's going to rumble for the first down. It was 26-0 Remsen Union at
right
this
into
point.
Our cameraman, Garrett.
That was amazing. Next play, more from Union. Craig Alish, the quick pass, nice yards after the catch on that. Same drive, we just keep going. Next play, Bowenkamp finds Tyler Van Dam. That's a touchdown. 34-0 Union at that point. They go on to win 47-7, bragging rights Union. HMS, number 10 HMS, taking on last year's Cinderella, Lawton Bronson. First quarter, sixth play of the game.
Guess who?
It's this guy named Levi Kelleher.
He's got a great name.
You might have seen him on our highlights before because he does stuff like this on a regular basis.
That's a long touchdown.
And he's just going to keep going. You see the end zone.
The ref was the closest person to stopping him on that play, by the way.
6-0 LB. HMS trying to answer. Logan Sweeney, this guy is also very good, but Clayton King knocks him down trying to get outside. Then they try to run up the middle. Sweeney gets some room, but Dakota Miller hits Sweeney, just lights him up there. Same drive, HMS knocking on the door. John bends into the end zone, but Miller's there for the pickoff.
He's all over the place.
In the end, though, HMS gets the win.
Brought every man, woman, and child from Macy, Waltill, and Bago to tonight's game with Burwell. First half, Rex Webster, the floating jumper falls. We're all tied up early. Delmar Parker, he's open in the corner, and you can forget about it. Ties the ball game up. We're still tied in the first half. Neil Sheridan, the nice move to the rack, hanging and hitting. They're still down 5. The Chiefs trying to claw the way back down from a big deficit here in the second quarter. Delmar Parker bombs away again. They're down 14, and the Chiefs bow out in round 1 to Burwell, 53-40. Pierce taking on Boys Town in Class C1 action. Second half, Eric Colmoose drives baseline here for the layup. He had 22 points. Note, the rest of the points are made by free throws. Well, a lot of these points are made by free throws. Rashawn Jones drives in to make it. Well, Pierce is up 24. They tried to foul him late, and they just made free throws and put this one to bed. Pierce wins 61-41 over Boys Town. The same team that beat them by 21 points in district finals, this one was a barn burner. Caleb Lammers goes up strong inside for 2, and things are looking good. Go to the fourth quarter. Humphrey St. Francis goes down low. They can score here, and they make it 37-35 with 4 ticks left. So Hartington needs 2 to tie or 3 to win. They have the ball in the inbounds. Lammers for the win. It is short. But Hartington has a great season, but they bow out in round 1 as well, 37-35 in a thriller.